I built an extension which allows you to create tests based on any content that you're viewing right now. And if you're on a website, you can literally create a test and click of a button. I built this because I've always hated learning in a conventional way. So I had a pretty good way to learn, actually. I would copy paste the contents of my coursework into an LLM and ask it to create a sort of a questionnaire. It was way too manual and really annoying at times. You don't have a beautiful UI or you can't really select your answers. This extension creates tests by scanning the current website that you're on for any relevant content, and also happens to be completely on device. It uses the Chrome's latest built-in Gemini Nano to create and curate tests. Since it's on device, you don't really have to worry about privacy concerns. Also, you can use it however you want. You start by customizing your test. You can define amount of questions that you need. You can also define what kind of questions they are. You can choose to have true or false. You can choose to have fill-ins. And let me just choose one and continue. Yep, and we have 9 questions and 10 minutes. We can also choose to save it, but let's continue. I know this is not a very educational example, but we just want to show how well the extension actually fetches content from the current site. Let's just answer all the questions for a second. Yeah, I'll choose to save it. Yep. So you can always review your results here. Going back. Now, if you click on the history button, you can always view your saved test where you left off. And you can also look at completed, which you can choose to retake or review. And if it's really important, you can always archive them. Now, for the final feature, you can always ask the LLM questions directly. Let's say I have a question on, yep, the code is completely open source. You can fork it, tweak it, just about do anything. And we have a set of features that we are planning to implement for a future release. And finally, we are looking forward for your feedback. Thank you.